Hmm.
if we follow this strategy, right? So that's buying one house per year. You can retire in 5 to 8 years. But what if you did two houses per year?
Mm.
Then all of a sudden you can retire in 2.5 to 4 years.
Sure.
How about three houses a year? Now, three houses a year is not a lot.
So
We'll
every
say
4 months.
we'll say that, yeah, one every 4 months. I was just going to say we'll say that once a quarter, more or less.
Once a third.
Yeah, right.
Sure.
So if you were to buy three houses a year, you can retire in a year and a half to 2.5 years, based on the $600 to $900 a month,
Hmm.
right? See how this science works? Because it's science, it's just numbers.